Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use the Llama Farm widget or view in Monday.com. So let me just show you how you can do it. In the more views, you're just gonna search for Llama Farm and then opening the board. Here you have a Llama Farm, right? And you have like one or two completed goal points, but let's say this is going to be fun. I'm going to choose something better that I have the customer project, and I'm going to click plus here, add a view, more views, Llama Farm, opening the board, and here I can simply see, okay, campaign management, and you can like easily play around it and see if it's done or no, right? So if I'm going to main table and I would just click here on, okay, let's say this is done already. So I can come here and I can archive it. See, I got 2 out of 4 completed goal points. See, and you always gonna see. Set start and end date on settings to keep the llamas up to date. So as you can see on the right top side, you can have like finished project or active project. So you can have finished project here, and video production, these are already finished, and start date, due date, goal title, status, I can have like analysis, and goal points can be estimate hours or hourly rate, right? Or currently billable hours. So it really depends what the goal points you're gonna like add here, and that's how the llama works, pretty much works, right? So you can also add ties to llamas, and you can have baby llamas for sub items. So if you're gonna have sub items, you're gonna have the baby llamas directly here. And this is pretty much it, how you can use the Llama Farm in Monday.com. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions regards Llama Farm or any other tutorial on Monday.com, let me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.